जन्म लेने का, what is the root cause, what is the purpose of your reincarnation, what is the very purpose of your reincarnation is to complete the journey from Narase Narayana, from the human being to the God, to enter into the kingdom of God. When you enter into the kingdom of God, you merge with the God. So all the great saints, they mentioned it. Little language was different. That is the journey. So I have to awaken, I have to purify my mind. And when I take my mind, so if I can't see it, I visualize the flame. If I find difficulty because my logic mind, my left brain is more powerful, I cannot visualize, then I say, okay, imagine the flame. Because the flame is there. So it will. And then when with loving and kindness, this is your power. What is your power? Loving and kindness. Because let me tell you, I practice a lot of mantra, the sadhana, the mantra sadhana, and so much of this. And I found that I have a lot of power. But actually I found that the more power I was receiving when I was converting my sadhana into loving and kindness. You understand? Loving and kindness. And the moment you project this loving and kindness to Jivatma, the shell of ignorance which has imprisoned the soul, because वो पिंजड़े में कैद है आत्मा. When you project the loving and kindness to the Jivatma, to this flame, it starts expanding. And you go on sending till the time you feel your whole body is immersed in that flame. The whole 5 bodies are immersed in that flame. The whole universe is immersed in the flame of Jivatma. So the moment it becomes the universe, the Jivatma does not remain Jivatma, becomes the Atma. And the definition of Atma is when it is free, it is not caught. जब वो मुक्त हो गया, जीवन मुक्त हो गया, जब उसमें कोई इग्नोरेंस नहीं रहा, कोई अनरिजॉल्व्ड इश्यू नहीं रहा, तो वो जीवात्मा जो है वो आत्म स्वरूप हो गया. And the seed of the Atma is the pineal gland, is the blue pearl resides here. That's what the yogis, they say. You can control all the energies, but you cannot control the blue pearl. It has its own consciousness. It will move here, there. It will reduce the size. It will increase the size. You have to just witness.